Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys the order that came in from the online order that I did on December 2nd. This actually came in on December 13th, so it took about 12 days, was that 11 days to get here. So not too bad on shipping. And this is how everything came. So this whole order cost me $58 and I got $52 back in bonus cash. So I'll just show you everything I got. Hopefully you guys were able to do this deal. This was my first time ordering online. It was actually pretty easy. It wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. And it's all the free Carmex we got. These were the ones that were $1 online and you get $1 back, and you were able to do it 8 times. So then I got the saline care. This was a really good deal too. I don't remember like each and every breakdown, but if you want to look at it, it's in my previous video. I mean, it's not any good any longer, but yeah. So there's actually 4 of these. I already took one out and used it. So all of this stuff cost me, after bonus cash, getting it back, actual $6. So I would say that's not too bad, given the fact that just these alone are $8 here. So everything else free. So I will probably do more online shopping. I do have another order that came in that's pretty much the same thing. I can unbox that too if you guys want to see what's in that. And this one was a similar deal. I think there were only a few things different that I did. So this is how it came. I haven't gone in this box yet, but got only 1 of these each. All the Carmex is in there. I got 4 of these air wicks here. And the different thing that I did here is I got Burt's Bees extra white. And I think this one I ended up paying about $8. So it was a little bit different. But there's a deal on that. I didn't talk about the Burt's Bees in my last video, because I did that video before I found this deal. But there should be one more airwick in here. There's a hiding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's the 4th one. Okay. So yeah, and then I got more toothbrushes. That was a really good deal. So all of that cost me $8 for this whole box. That doesn't include tax, and then shipping was free. So hopefully we can find some more online deals like this, especially if some of your states like mine is shutting down and COVID cases are increasing. It's just a better way to not have to leave your house if you don't have to. So awesome deal. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with all these Carmex. Anybody know what you're doing with all these Carmex? Please leave a comment. I would love to get any suggestions. So it's really cool that these don't really expire, so I have enough to last me all of 2021. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I hope to go to Rite soon. I'm going to put together some deals. Hopefully go tomorrow and put up a video just to give you guys some ideas of what we have going on this week. If you guys have any good deals, leave a comment in the comment box. Let us know what you're getting. And if you know anybody who loves to save money, loves to shop at Rite, share this video. Let them know, hey, check out this video. She's got stuff going on over there. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.